Okay, so I am making another meal with what's left in the house. This is my last two eggs. I'm making an omelet for breakfast on Easter morning. I'm cooking it on extremely low right now. And these are my ingredients: black beans, corn, white cheddar cheese, and sour cream. Although I love cheese, cheese and my body does not get along very well. So I'm using probably a third of what I would normally love to use. I have it on very low so the omelet does not get brown. I'm going to put it even lower. So next I put the corn, which I already heated up, and last but not least is the black beans. Actually, I'm still going to put some sour cream on there. So just let the beans, corn, and sour cream warm up on your omelet. Spread the sour cream. Sorry for the camera movement. I'm holding it while I'm trying to cook here, my omelet. As you can see, no brown, just a tiny bit, which is nice. And I already put some salt and pepper on the inside, but I'll put some on the outside as well. And voila! There is your gorgeous Mexican tortilla omelet, I'm going to call it, with beans, corn, sour cream, cheddar cheese, and some tortillas on the side, and salsa. Enjoy! Enjoy.